Hello kids, I am Mehta and I welcome you all in my session. Let's watch a rhyme of number 1.
There's a number that you come to when the count's just begun. The simplest one you'll ever see, and its name is number 1. There's just one moon up in the sky, there's just one blazing sun. Oh, number 1 is less than 2, but still it's more than none. One horn, one big wheel, one ball, one train seal, one fine automobile. Number 1 is fun. I joined up in a baseball game, we won it by 1 run. I found a crisp $1 bill, but I wish I had a ton. I barbecued 1 burger, I served it on 1 bun. The contest judges took 1 back and said, "You're number 1." 1 kite flying up high, 1 bee buzzing on by, 1 big cyclops eye. Number 1 is fun. 1 dog chewing 1 shoe, 1 chimp playing kazoo, 1 skunk being you. Number 1 is fun. Number 1 is fun.
Now let me show you how to write number 1 with different objects. Take some kidney beans and make 1 and say, "Down you run," and 1 is done. Down you run and 1 is done. Again, down you run and 1 is done. Superb! Now it's time to check the worksheet. You had to color in the sun. Have you done it? Excellent work, guys. Keep smiling. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.